What if there was another world hidden beneath miles of ice waiting to reveal its secrets? What if, within this world, there was life? This isn't just a dream or a story from science fiction. This world is real. Its name is Europa, and it orbits the giant planet Jupiter. For the first time in human history, we're about to send a mission to explore this icy moon, to dive into its mysteries, and perhaps to uncover the existence of alien life. Could this be the place where life beyond Earth thrives in the darkness? Europa, the hidden ocean. World Europa, icy, silent, and distant, may seem like a frozen wasteland from the outside. But below its frigid crust lies an ocean so vast it could dwarf all of Earth's seas combined. Scientists believe this hidden ocean holds secrets that could change everything we know about life. But how could life exist on a world so far from the warmth of the sun? With no sunlight and temperatures plunging far below freezing, it might seem impossible. Yet scientists suspect that Europa's ocean may be kept warm by powerful forces beneath its icy shell. Tidal forces from its massive neighbor Jupiter create heat, keeping this vast alien sea in a liquid state, perhaps for millions of years. Could this hidden warmth be enough to support life in Europa's eternal darkness? Imagine what could be lurking in these uncharted waters. Life forms that defy everything we know, creatures that have evolved in darkness, hidden from the universe, thriving without sunlight. What mysteries could be waiting beneath Europa's frozen crust? What secrets could its dark depths reveal? This isn't just a search for water. It's a search for life in the most unlikely of places. And soon, for the first time, we're going to take a closer look. NASA's Europa Clipper mission. The tools of discovery. For years, Europa has kept its secrets locked beneath miles of ice, but now NASA has a plan to unlock them. Introducing the Europa Clipper, a spacecraft built to go where no human or machine has gone before. Europa Clipper is not just another probe. It's a sophisticated machine, equipped with tools designed to study this alien moon in breathtaking detail. Each instrument on board has a single purpose: to reveal what lies hidden beneath Europa's icy crust. This mission isn't just about studying a moon. It's a journey into the unknown. For the first time, humanity is reaching out to touch an alien ocean, a vast, unexplored sea that could hold the answer to a question as old as time. Are we alone in the universe? Imagine the possibilities. The ice-penetrating radar will slice through Europa's frozen shell, mapping the thickness of its ice and searching for clues of movement below. Spectrometers will analyze the chemicals on its surface, searching for the building blocks of life, and the magnetometer will probe the magnetic fields, hinting at the ocean's depth, composition, and even its hidden currents. Every piece of data, every pulse, and every reading will bring us closer to Europa's hidden ocean. This mission is more than science. It's a bold attempt to answer humanity's greatest question. In the silence of space, as Clipper begins its journey, we ask ourselves, what will we find? The ice shield, Europa's barrier. Europa's ocean is locked beneath a thick, frozen shield, a barrier that could be miles deep. This impenetrable shell, forged in darkness and frozen in silence, has kept Europa's secrets hidden for eons. But scientists believe that this icy barrier might not be as lifeless as it appears. Beneath this crust, Europa is alive with movement. Tidal forces from Jupiter's massive gravity create constant flexing, generating heat and possibly allowing water to interact with the surface. These interactions could create unique zones where life might thrive, protected from the harshness of space above. This is where the Europa Clipper comes in. Equipped with ice-penetrating radar, it will send powerful waves through this barrier, mapping the ice layer by layer, searching for clues of movement, fractures, and possible passageways connecting the ocean to the surface. Every scan brings us closer to discovering how thin or thick Europa's icy shell truly is. If we find that Europa's ice is thinner than we thought, it could mean that the ocean below is within reach. Imagine a world where life might exist just a few miles beneath a frozen crust. A world where liquid water touches the ice, creating zones of warmth, energy, and possibly life. As the radar scans Europa's frozen crust, we begin to see something extraordinary. The fractures, the flexing, the hidden currents, They suggest a dynamic environment, a place where conditions could be just right for life to survive. Deadly radiation, surviving Jupiter's fury. There's a reason why exploring Europa has been nearly impossible. Orbiting this giant of our solar system means plunging into one of the most intense radiation fields we've ever encountered. For the Europa Clipper, this isn't just a mission, it's a battle for survival. This radiation, thousands of times stronger than what we experience on Earth, would destroy unprotected electronics within minutes. To survive, the Clipper is built with a radiation-proof vault, a protective casing designed to shield its instruments from this relentless force. But even with this armor, every encounter with Jupiter's fury brings the Clipper closer to its limits. Each flyby pushes the boundaries of technology as radiation chips away at the spacecraft's defenses, pixel by pixel, circuit by circuit. With every orbit around Europa, Clipper inches deeper into the danger zone. There's no margin for error here. The stakes are high. If its systems fail, the mission could end before Europa's secrets are ever revealed. This isn't just science. This is survival. As Clipper moves closer to Europa's icy surface, it does so with the knowledge that each pass through this deadly field could be its last. Mysterious water plumes. Europa's breath. In 2012, scientists witnessed something astonishing on Europa. Enormous plumes of water launching into space like geysers. These plumes reach heights of over 100 miles, carrying with them fragments from Europa's hidden ocean. For the first time, we may be able to peer directly into the depths of this alien sea. But these plumes are more than just jets of water. They may contain traces of life, or at least the raw materials needed for it. Hidden within these particles could be the fingerprints of organic compounds, evidence of complex chemistry, and possibly the building blocks of life. The Europa Clipper will fly through these plumes, capturing and analyzing the particles within. Its instruments are designed to detect even the faintest traces of organic molecules, compounds that could hint at life hidden beneath the ice. Imagine, if the first signs of extraterrestrial life come not from the ground beneath us, but from jets of water breathed into space by an ocean we've never seen. Could these plumes be Europa's way of calling out to us, inviting us to explore its depths? If there are clues to life within them, the Clipper will be ready to capture every piece of data, every hint of organic matter drifting up from Europa's mysterious sea. Hydrothermal vents, life's last hope. In the darkest reaches of Earth's oceans, life thrives where we once thought nothing could survive. Here, around hydrothermal vents, entire ecosystems flourish, far from the sun, relying only on the heat and minerals released from within the Earth itself. If such life can exist in the depths of Earth's oceans, could similar hydrothermal vents exist on Europa's ocean floor? These vents, if they exist, would be an oasis in the freezing depths, a source of warmth, minerals, and energy, enough to support life in a place untouched by sunlight. If there are hydrothermal vents on Europa, they might create the perfect environment for life to take root and survive in the blackness. The chemistry at these vents could provide the raw ingredients that life needs: water, heat, and minerals, all working together in ways we've only just begun to understand. Could these be the first signs of alien life? Simple organisms clinging to life in the darkness, feeding off chemical reactions as they rise from Europa's core? If life exists here, it would be a testament to survival, a sign that life can find a way, even in the most extreme conditions. These hidden underwater worlds challenge everything we know about life. If Europa holds such a world beneath its ice, it could be the most extraordinary discovery of our time. A second origin of life, a silent survivor in the vastness of space. Oxygen, the key to life survival. On Europa, survival isn't just about water. Despite its frozen, lifeless appearance, something extraordinary is happening on its surface. As Europa orbits the giant planet Jupiter, it's exposed to powerful radiation, a force that, on Earth, would be deadly. But here, it might just be a lifeline. Scientists believe that Jupiter's radiation may be splitting water molecules on Europa's surface, releasing oxygen into the thin atmosphere above. This oxygen could then sink, drifting slowly down through cracks in the ice, eventually reaching the hidden ocean below. Could this supply of oxygen be enough to create conditions for life in the darkness? But recent data brings a surprising twist. Some scientists now think that Europa's oxygen production might be lower than we once imagined. If that's true, could life here adapt to survive on far less oxygen than we thought possible? Could it live in a way beyond anything we've ever seen? Imagine life forms that breathe sparingly, that have evolved to thrive with minimal oxygen, enduring conditions more extreme than anything on Earth. Creatures that exist on the edge of survival, sustained by the faintest whispers of oxygen seeping down from the surface above. If life has found a way to survive here, it would be unlike anything we've known. Resilient, resourceful, adapted to a world of ice, darkness, and scarce oxygen. A testament to life's unbreakable will to survive, no matter how harsh the conditions. Exploring the ice plates. Signs of recent activity. Europa's icy shell isn't as still as it appears. Underneath this seemingly quiet surface, the ice is alive, shifting, cracking, and moving over time. These movements could be more than just frozen waves. They may be the key to unlocking Europa's secrets. As these plates move and fracture, they may create brief openings, windows that could allow the ocean's contents to rise up and interact with the surface. For scientists, these shifting regions are more than just cracks. They're potential passageways leading directly to Europa's hidden ocean. Imagine, each crack, each shift, might carry with it traces of Europa's ocean, traces that could reveal life, chemistry, or organic matter rising up from the depths below. These fractures could hold invaluable samples, offering a rare glimpse into the unknown world beneath the ice. The ice is shifting, creating pathways that open and close, like silent breaths taken by Europa itself. Each movement brings the secrets of the ocean a little closer to the surface, inching us closer to a discovery that could redefine life as we know it. Could these shifting plates be Europa's way of calling out, leaving behind signs and samples of what lies beneath, waiting for us to find them? Every crack and creak in the ice tells a story of an ocean pushing against its frozen ceiling, eager to reveal what it holds within. The discovery of life. What would it mean? Imagine if we find life on Europa. It would mean we are not alone. This discovery wouldn't just change our understanding of one distant moon. It would transform everything we thought we knew about biology, evolution, and perhaps even the origin of life itself. But perhaps beyond scientific understanding, the discovery would change how we see ourselves. To know that life has taken root elsewhere, beyond the reach of our own sun, would make the universe feel a little less empty. It would remind us that life finds a way. This isn't just a search for microbes on a distant moon. It's a search for connection, a glimpse into a greater truth, a sign that life can endure across unimaginable distances, against impossible odds. Imagine a world where we know, without a doubt, that life exists beyond our own. A world where we see ourselves as part of something bigger, a single piece in the vast cosmic puzzle. This journey to Europa isn't just about discovering life. It's about discovering ourselves, the final frontier. In the coming years, as the Europa Clipper dives deeper into the mysteries of this frozen world, every discovery, every data point will bring us one step closer to answering one of humanity's oldest and most profound questions. Could life exist beyond Earth? The search is far from over. In fact, it has only just begun.